Alright, so you go to extensions, extension manager, choose file. Here's the file that I want to install, upload and install. Alright, so there you have it. The next thing that you want to do is you want to click on complete your installation. So click on it and you get to this screen. From this point on, just click on next. Give it a moment to complete, and then once this comes up again, click on next. Next, and finally next. I'm sorry, one more. So what happens is all this is just going through just a different process that has to, go through to complete this. And once this has been completed, you want to be able to click on done. Alright, so now the installation is done and it brings you to this page. And from this page, this is where we are going to be working on. And you have the configurations, all the settings here, and I am going to be going through each of these settings so you can understand how to make sure that everything works on your end. So let's take a look at working with these settings next.